Since its establishment in 1952, the Faculty of Agricultural and Food Sciences has acted as a regional trendsetter by introducing educational programs that respond to global issues arising at the nexus of food, nutrition, and the environment. With its diverse academic reach, FAFS constitutes one of the main green arms of AUB, shaping the region's ability to address food security, environmental resilience, and nutrition for health. One of the highest priorities in the Arab world is access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food, which benefits the well-being of people and the economy and contributes to political stability. Arab countries face the most serious water scarcity in the world, and the increasing strain on the environment is putting into question the ability of our region's fragile ecosystems to continue to sustain future generations. The Arab region has the highest rates of obesity and diabetes in the world, accounting for 6 out of the 10 most affected countries. On the other hand, more than a quarter of the region's children suffer from stunted growth due to undernutrition. The faculty's goal is to train experts who would serve as regional leaders in the fields of agriculture, food science and management, nutrition and dietetics, agribusiness, and landscape architecture.
Today, there are 7 billion people on Earth, and these 7 billion people want to eat. In 2050, there will be 9 billion people on Earth, and it is our job to feed them.
Since people are living in crowded cities such as Beirut, we need to start thinking of new ways to making our cities green.
Food science is an interesting major because you get to understand all the most basic utility of survival, which is food. You learn all about the operations and processes behind what we consume. Ultimately, it's about survival and human health.
I chose agribusiness as my major because I wanted a major through which I could help the community, specifically the rural areas, since I come from one. They need someone to help them in the marketing, value chain, and other business areas.
I chose nutrition because prevention is at the essence of healthcare, and that's what nutrition is all about. Not only can I have an effect on an individual's life, but on a population and generations as well. There's an Arabic proverb that says, what you eat determines your health, and that's where I want to have an impact, and that's where I want to play a role.
Here at FAFS, we promote the health and well-being of people and nature.